Helo, shwmai, my name is Steph from Cered, teithiau Ngheredigion. Croeso to Ar Gered. Ar Gered is a series of Welsh language guided walks in the highlands of Ngheredigion, the area known as Topie, above Aberystwyth. They're suitable for fluent Welsh speakers as well as learners, and it's always great to see everyone get together and socialise, practice their Welsh along the walk as well as over a cuppa at the end. As the local Mentor Iaith Welsh Language Initiative, we're always open to new ideas of projects that can boost the Welsh language in the community. And when the idea came of creating Welsh language guided walks in this area, as a keen walker, I thought it was a brilliant opportunity to show people some of those places that I've loved to go walking and explore since the start of the lockdown. If you'd like to come Ar Gered with me, then contact Cered on social media or cered@ngheredigion.gov.uk. I look forward to seeing you soon.